Hi, today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check pattern and how to do cleaning cycles from an Epson Expression Home XP2100. Now, it's quite simple. It can be done from the printer itself using the buttons found on the front. Now, first thing we're going to cover is the nozzle check, which is quite simple. You need your machine to be off, so this green LED should be unlit. So, what we're going to do, we're going to hold down this button here on the right hand side, and we're going to turn the printer on. Now we're going to keep the printer's power button held down until you've had a whole flash out of the green LED, which I'll show you now. Hold it down, and it turns on. 1, 2, release. So you had that entire flash out of that from it turning on initially. Now this will take just a second. And now we have the page we were looking for. So, as you can see, the printer's broken down black, cyan, magenta, and yellow that it uses. And everything's looking pretty good here. However, as I mentioned, you can do cleans from this position also. So, you do this just by holding down a single button, which is the very same button again over here, the upside down triangle in a circle. And what we're going to do is hold this down for roughly 5 seconds and until this green LED starts flashing. So here we go. Flashing, so I release. Now, your printer will now do the cleaning cycle, which will force fresh ink into the print head and hopefully dislodge anything that's dried in there if you weren't as lucky as to have a good looking test page that I had there. This will take a few seconds. And once this is done, I'd recommend doing another test page again, looking for improvements in the quality, and repeating the cleans as necessary. And it's important to note that you can tell that when your printer has finished with the cleaning cycle because the green LED will stop flashing. You'll just have a solid light again. Now, I hope you found this useful. If you have, give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, do please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.